Lok Sabha on Monday took up discussion on motion of thanks to President Draupadi Murmu's address to the joint sitting of Parliament with 18 hours allotted for the debate. Moving the motion, Union Minister and BJP MP Sarbananda Sonowal termed the President's address as remarkable, saying it reflected the government's vision of social justice, inclusive growth and goal of building Viksit Bharat, guided by principle of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas and Sabka Prayas. He criticized Congress-led government before 2014 for policy paralysis, corruption and delays in project execution, and said India embarked on a phase of rapid growth after Narendra Modi government came to power. Highlighting achievements, Sonowal said India has moved from being among the fragile 5 economies in 2014 to becoming world's 4th largest economy and remains fastest growing major economy despite global challenges. He said 44 lakh crore rupees has been transferred directly to beneficiaries through direct benefit transfer and claimed that 25 crore people have been lifted out of poverty through welfare schemes. BJP MP Tejasvi Surya, who seconded the motion, said Modi government has ensured delivery and dignity over the past 12 years without facing corruption charges, empowered youth and witnessed a steady rise in its popularity and that of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.